Hi everyone, my name is Jordan and I'm a customer success manager here at GoLinks, and today I wanted to show you how to create unlisted GoLinks. So first, unlisted GoLinks are like the yellow pages. Just because a phone number is not listed doesn't mean that it doesn't exist. It just means it's not listed. So unlisted GoLinks are regular GoLinks that you can have be hidden from everyone in the company, and the only way they have access to it is if they know that exact keyword of that GoLink. So I want to show you how to create them, and we'll do an example. So I have this onboarding document for new hires. Let's say that this is a project that I'm working on that isn't complete yet, and I don't want to make live within the company. I don't want anyone else to know that this doc exists because it's not finished yet. Or maybe you have a document that should only be shared with a couple of team members and not everyone in the company. You can go ahead and make it unlisted by creating it as a GoLink. I'm going to use the extension. I will go ahead and give it a new name, so pending new hire. And then down here at the bottom, we'll give you the option to make it unlisted. So when I click that, I'm going to go ahead and hit complete. And then when I view details on that GoLink, it will tell me right here that it's unlisted. It will give some information. This will only show on my dashboard because I'm the one who created it. And then additionally, if I ever want to change this, so that way if I want to make it public within the company, I can always come back here and choose to unselect that. But we're going to keep it unlisted for now. And the great thing about unlisted GoLinks is, like I said, no one can know that this GoLink exists unless I share with them this exact keyword. And then in addition to that, Google's privacy policy overrides our unlisted GoLink ability. So as long as it shows on your access that this is restricted only to people that you give access to, if someone happens to guess the keyword of that GoLink, or maybe they stumble upon that doc, as long as this still says restricted, they will have to request access in order to view that doc. So you have some additional security permissions there as well. So that is unlisted GoLinks. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to our support team.